So this Malibu came in with an under boost, barely runs, no power, got a new turbo on it. What a surprise. I'll show you what it's doing, and I already know what's wrong with it before I even do anything to the car. This is at idle. Definitely laboring. I'm gonna put it in drive and floor it. It ain't even gonna do anything. It dies. I'll pull out this O2 sensor and let's take a peekaboo. I bet that cat's melted. That's all cat inside that O2 sensor. This bitch got hot. So this is my scope. As you can see, the cat is in a million pieces, all broken up. You know, this is the thing with auction cars. You have absolutely no idea the history behind them. You don't know what the hell people have done to them. What caused the cat to melt? No idea. Injector, who knows? So you really get no information, and every one of these cars have been haggled and hawked together by someone else, and that makes them a little more harder.